Chcąc mieć pierzastego przyjaciela na całe życie,
If we want to have a feathered friend for a lifetime, we should buy a hand-fed specimen. Many people mistakenly believe that hand-feeding is giving food with the hand to an independently eating parrot. However, in fact, hand-feeding is giving food to a nestling which cannot eat without our help yet.
pisklęcia w okresie, kiedy nie jest ono zdolne do samodzielnego przyjmowania pokarmu. Do chwili, aż zwierzę to uzyska samodzielność. Podawanie ręką to element.
Handing food to a parrot is a part of a process of domesticating a parrot, a way to deliver reinforcement for desirable behavior, or an expression of a bond between a parrot and a human, but it has nothing to do with hand-feeding.
Do wykarmiania mamy do czynienia z podawaniem pokarmu niesamodzielnemu jeszcze po przyjściu na świat zwierzęciu. W ten sposób zastępujemy jego naturalny.
Hand-feeding is helping a nestling to eat when it's too small to do it on its own. By hand-feeding, we replace the animal's biological parents. We do it in two cases. First, when the parents are for some reason unable to feed their offspring. Second, if we want this animal to be a pet staying in very close relations with people. Such animal loses its natural fear of humans and establishes emotional relations with them very easily. We replace the parents. We feed the parrot with special food several times a day until it's fully independent. Some breeders leave the nestlings with their natural parents for a period of about 2 months and only later they start the process of hand-feeding. However, this is reprehensible. Birds which underwent the process of hand-feeding too late will never be able to establish as close relations with their guardians as the birds which were hand-fed from the very beginning, but they can neither be used in breedings.